only. So total sale is 1 million. For 2006, it is 2 million. For 2007, it is 3 million.
How can to unselect there on the slicer?
Okay, simply here is a razor button over here, which is termed as clear selection. Simply click on it and it will erase all the selection.
Thank you, Mr. Shakoor. Thank you.
Okay, excellent. Now, okay, so the another important AI visual is the smart narrative. Supposedly, uh, supposedly, uh, just a second. Okay, supposedly you have to you are presenting to your board or to your management. So supposedly this is the top 5 customer by total sale, and you have to write something on this particular visual, that how your sale was changing. So simply select this visual and select the smart narrative. So we don't yet. Oh, okay, no, just a second. I have selected total sales and total profit by customer, and it is creating a narrative that how our sale was changing and what is this visual all about. It is taking a bit time. Okay, here you can see it has given me a text, and you will not need to write anything into your report. It is saying that average sales started trending down on Sunday, March 16, 2008, falling by 11.45%, which is 1700 in 1007 days. East had the highest total sale at this, followed by the West, North, and South. East accounted for 25.7% of total sale. At this, Shah Associates had the highest total sale and was 50% of higher than MNTL, which had the lowest total sale. So you can see that it is giving a very smart narrative, very great narrative, that you can also explain the situation behind this visual as well, that how our sale was trending over the past 4 years. Okay, you can insert it to your Power BI file and just do let me know that whether it is working.